All right. This is Mr. Luke with one of your tech tips for the year. I know a lot of people put up a PowerPoint and then they look at it and say, man, I want to change that. I want to change what I have there. I want to add something. Well, here's a way where you can load your PowerPoint into a smart notebook file and make any edits you want, save those edits as a smart notebook file, and still have your clean PowerPoint. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to File on your PowerPoint. Obviously, the PowerPoint's already open. And we are going to click on File and go to Print. That gives us the regular annotation, or I should say the regular interface in regards to printing a PowerPoint. But this time, we're going to scroll all the way down to Send to Smart Notebook. We're not going to take any of these printers. We're going to send it to the Smart Notebook. And we're going to click on that. When you're ready, we're going to print it. And what's going to happen is, in time, the Smart Notebook will automatically open with your slides embedded into pages. Each slide will have its own individual page. You can see in the bottom of the screen here. Right there, the notebook is opening. So let's go to it, and here it is. Here is your Smart Notebook version of your presentation. Now, you can move this around as you see fit. Now, you can write on your Smart Notebook and keep the clean version of your PowerPoint. So, let's say I want to make an edit here. There we go. Want to make an edit here. Go back to the pointer, and let's go to the next file. Click there to open up the menu as I've showed you before if you went to my tutorial or my PD. Go to the next file here. There it is. Click on this, and then once again we can edit the page and add things as we see fit. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this and we're going to save it. Very simple. File, Save As. We'll get the interface, and then you can save it wherever you want. There's a lot of my samples that I've saved in the past. I'll just put it on my desktop. Whoops. I'll just put it on my desktop here, and we'll name it Test. And save it. Now, when I open that file in a minute, you're going to see that my annotations are there. If you want to print this, it's very simple. We just go to File, Print, and you can choose how you want to print out the Smart Notebook file. As you can see, the annotations are still here. We've already named the file, so it's test.notebook. It gives you the date. It will show page numbers, if that's what you would like. And you can adjust the thumbnail sizes as you see fit. As you can see, we can change it to handout. And that way you can put little notes along the side when you hand it out to the students. Maybe you want to add something else, they can add it to there. I prefer the thumbnails. Okay. Then you simply click Print, and it will print out to whatever printer you have. Simple, right? All right. Let's go here, and let's close this out, and close this out. We'll just minimize this, and we will go to the test Smart Notebook file we have already saved. We'll click on it, and as you will see, once it loads, the annotations are still there. And as stated, you still have your clean PowerPoint if you want to do it that way. But I prefer this because that way I can change the slide on the fly. And you get to save and you can print it out for your students if you so wish. A tip, the more pictures and graphics you have in your PowerPoint, the longer it's going to take for it to transfer over to Smart Notebook. So be patient. I did pretty bare bones here so that it wouldn't take very long. All right, if you have any questions, email your ITCs. We'll be more than happy to help you. That's your tip for the day. I hope you'd enjoy it. I'm Mr. Luke. See you soon.